Presbyopia. This is the another eye defect which is seen generally in the senior citizen. Generally, the focusing power of the eye lens decreases with age. The muscles near the lens lose their ability to change the focal length of the lens. What is the cause for this presbyopia? Generally, in case of senior citizens, the focusing power of the eye lens decreases with their age, so that they can't see the nearby objects clearly, but they can see the faraway objects clearly. So that this presbyopia is generally similar to the hypermetropia. But the cause for the presbyopia and hypermetropia is not same. Generally, this disease is caused in case of the senior citizen because their lens loses their power of accommodation. In case of the normal eye, we know that the near point for the normal eye is at about 25 centimeter. But in case of the presbyopia, this near point is larger than the 25 centimeter, so that images are not clearly visible. The nearby objects, that means the images of the nearby objects is not clearly visible. They are blurry. The near point of the lens shifts farther from the eye. Because of this, the old people cannot see the nearby objects clearly. Sometimes the people suffer from nearsightedness as well as the farsightedness. In such case, the bifocal lenses are required to correct the defect. In case of this presbyopia, the senior citizens are affected with the nearsightedness as well as the farsightedness. So that for curing this disease, the bifocal lens is used. In such lenses, the upper part is a concave lens, while the lower part concave lens and corrects the nearsightedness, while the lower part is a convex lens which corrects the farsightedness.